Quiz 1C. Possessive nouns and adjectives. A. Possessive nouns. Complete the sentences using possessive nouns. Number 1. My cat has white fur. My cat's fur is very long. Number 2. Tina has a friendly smile. Is friendly. Tina's smile is friendly. The girls have large eyes. Are large. The girl's eyes are large. Mr. Wong wears glasses every day. Are on the desk. Mr. Wong's glasses are on the desk. Bob and Peter share their books. Are on the desk. Bob and Peter's books are on the desk. Ross is very serious with her homework. Is very tidy. Ron's homework is very tidy. A2. Read the dialogues below and correct the underlined mistakes. Whose book is this? Is Lisa's book. Is Lisa's book. I think she doesn't know that she lost her book. Do you have her phone number? Let me call her. I don't have it, but I have James' number. I don't have it, but I have James' number. James is her brother. I met him in Joe's birthday party. I met him in Joe's birthday party. I know Joe. He has 2 dogs at home. I don't like dogs. Is it because you don't like the dog's fur? Is it because you don't like the dog's fur? Possessive adjectives. Complete the sentences below with the correct possessive adjectives in brackets. Where's Mr. Wong? I want to see photos. I want to see his photos. Number 2. Can you help me with math homework, please? Can you help me with my maths homework, please? Number 3. Harry likes collecting stamps. Some of stamps are very old. Some of his stamps are very old. Number 4. Miss Lee is a good teacher. I like lesson very much. I like her lesson very much. Number 5. Tom and I are in class 1B. Mr. Lam is class teacher. Mr. Lam is our class teacher. B2. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable possessive adjectives. My name's Max and this is Jenny. She is sister. She is my sister. I think this is Kitty's bag. I can see name on the tag. I can see her name on the tag. Read the dialogues below and fill in the blanks with the most suitable possessive adjectives. Sam was sick yesterday. Could you lend him notebook? Could you lend him your notebook? Why don't you ask Peter? Why don't you ask Peter? His handwriting is better. Come on, Sam is classmate. We should help him. Sam is our classmate. We should help him.